Outlook is made up of different sections that basically have different uses. But did you know that you don't have to have teeny tiny icons that represent the different sections? Let me just move my video out the way because it's almost always in the way. So here we are at the bottom left hand corner of your Outlook screen. You've got the different icons that make up your program. So of course we've got the email, calendar, people, tasks, and then you've got the three dots at the end. Three dots equals more in terms of most programs today. So as I click on that, first thing I get is my additional two options, but if I click on navigation options, that opens up the dialog box. You can see I've got compact navigation enabled. All I need to do is take the tick out and say OK. And what we've now got is, instead of our icons, we've now got the words that make up the sections. You can change that back simply by clicking on the dots again, back into navigation options, and of course switch compact navigation back on. If you like this tip, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified of new videos as they're published.